Hey, sixth graders, welcome to your fourth week of distance learning. It's hard to believe we've already gotten to the end of April and this Friday is May 1st. So that's kind of amazing. Time goes quickly. Here is an overview of your week. Remember to take time to look at each slide so you make sure you understand what's expected of you for the week. I'm always available by email. You can always rewatch this video for me here. My Zoom hours are Monday through Thursday, 12:30 to 1:15, so your information for that is on this page as well. Here is information for how to get to our virtual whiteboard as well as to Flipgrid for good things. The contest for this week, anyone who posts at least one time to Instagram tags me and uses one of the following hashtags, hashtag room202 at MMS or hashtag MMSproud, gets entered into a drawing for fries and a drink from McDonald's. If you don't have Instagram, no problem. Just send a pretend post to me via email and that still counts, and I'll draw on Friday afternoon. Congrats to Amelia Smith, one of my seventh graders who won the drawing last week. On Monday, you're going to kind of have the typical things you've had with good things, the whiteboard, and your distance learning journal. Remember, you need to have at least 3 sentences for those entries. You need to have it dated, and then you need to share your journal with me every day, and that lets me know that you've checked in on assignments. Today, you're going to be reading Chapter 6 in Ghost. You have all of your read aloud options and your digital text options located under Checkpoint 1 resources. Please make sure you have slides 8, 9, and 10 finished on Checkpoint 2. Please request feedback so that I can see how you're doing so far. Many of you did not do the quiz over your reading last week, so if you would please click here to take that quiz, I would appreciate it. Thank you to those of you who did finish it. On Tuesday, you're going to be having a big reading day. You're going to read chapters 7 and 8. I know that this will probably take longer than 30 minutes, so feel free to space out your reading throughout the day. Then when you, either before or after your reading, you can take this quiz over chapters 5 and 6. Humor for the middle of your week. Wednesday, if you haven't had a chance to finish reading from yesterday, please do that. Today, I want you to study the argument writing focus area if you have not yet passed that assessment, and please request the assessment sometime today. Reminder about our contest. On Thursday, you should have read up through Chapter 8 in Ghost. Now you're ready to do your next diary entry on Checkpoint 2. Slide 11 on Checkpoint 2 is an entry for Chapters 6 through 8. Please complete that for today. Remember to look at slides 5, 6, and 7 for tips from me. Please request feedback so I can check in on your work. Let me just go to the project real quick so you're remembering that Checkpoint 2 is the diary. And when I'm referring to the slide numbers on here, if you look up here on the corner, these are the slide numbers. So 1 through 7 are all instructions from me. 7 is an example. And then your first entry was on 8. You had an assignment on 9. And today you're going to be, actually this one should have already been done. This is your entry that you'd be working on today. I think I did make an error on some of your slides and I accidentally called like multiple entries entry number 1. So just ignore that if you notice that and pay attention to the chapters. All right, on Friday, remember you've read up through Chapter 8. We're on Friday. Yeah, you're going to be working on, just a minute here. Whoops. I think I made a mistake on that, everybody. So look for a change on this. This is actually what you did yesterday. So I'm going to fix that and I will have an updated assignment there for you by the time you guys get this. I will fix that because that is not correct. So yes, there is your week. Let me know if you have questions and I hope you have a good one.